Remove any obstructions that could be encountered when moving the person with the lift prior to repositioning. The sheet must be placed under the person, either by log rolling the person or by placing the sheet on the person's bed while the person is not in bed. Ensure the person's head is positioned within the sheet and not extend out from the top edge of the sheet. Make sure the sheet is extended the full length of the bed. Position the nose of the boom over the person's abdomen. Lower the lift boom enough to hook up the straps. Using the straps on the sides of the sheet, first connect the strap loops closest to the head of the person to the hanger bar hooks nearest their head on the hanger bar. Consider the person's size and condition when selecting which strap loops to use, but it's recommended to use the shorter strap loops, those closest to the sheet, when attaching the straps near the head, a slightly longer loop in the middle of the body, and a longer loop, third loops, near the feet. Make sure to use the same level of loop on each side. It is recommended to hook a minimum of 4 strap loops on each side of the sling or sheet to the lift. Raise the person slightly. Once there is tension on the loops, pause lifting and double check to make sure the loops are seated in the hooks. Raise the person enough to elevate them off the bed. One caregiver should gently guide the person toward the head of the bed, while another gently moves the lift using the lift handlebars. Lower the person to the bed and unhook the loops from the hanger bars. An alternative option for repositioning is to lift the person as instructed. Unlock the wheels of the bed and move the bed so that the person is positioned at the head of the bed. Lock the wheels of the bed and lower the person onto the bed. This procedure is recommended in cases where obstructions may block the movement of the lift, such as cords, tubes, or furniture. The person should always remain over the bed surface during any movement of the bed and while being repositioned. Important: the caregiver must be aware of the distance of the person's head from the headboard to avoid contact with the headboard when repositioning. Do not roll the lift over obstructions or objects that could create an imbalance of the lift when performing the repositioning. Only use the lift handles to maneuver the lift.